My name is Hongxiang Huang. I come from Taiwan, and I study hydroinformatics in IHE Delft in the Netherlands. The most impressive thing that I learned from South Florida is that how they express their results to the managers and stakeholders. Because from my experiences, when I took my result to the managers, they just didn't understand what I'm talking about. But the people here that did things very differently from me, they try to simplify the result, make their result, which is very complicated, and try to simplify that, and that to try to make the managers to understand what they are talking about. So, yeah.